Welcome to English Lovers Hub.
That's right, we're here to help you speak with confidence.
Hello, everyone. Welcome back.
Hi, guys. Good to see you again.
In part 1, we talked about simple daily routine sentences.
Yes, very basic, very easy English.
Today, we will go one step forward,
We will use longer sentences, more natural English.
and we will speak like real people in real life.
Yes, real English conversation.
Before we start, don't forget to like.
And subscribe for more English practice.
Okay, let's begin. Talking about morning routine, more natural English. Lavish, what time do you usually wake up?
I usually wake up around 7 a.m., but sometimes I wake up a little late.
Ah, usually. Very useful word. I usually wake up at 7 a.m.
Yes, usually means most days.
What do you do after you wake up?
After I wake up, I brush my teeth and wash my face.
Good. That is a full sentence. After I wake up, I brush my teeth and wash my face.
Sometimes I feel very sleepy in the morning.
Me too. I don't want to get out of bed.
Yes, my bed is my best friend in the morning.
Do you check your phone in the morning?
Yes, I check my phone for messages.
Ah, very common habit. I check my phone in the morning. Tea or coffee?
I usually drink tea, but sometimes I drink coffee.
Nice. I usually drink tea, but sometimes I drink coffee. How do you feel in the morning?
Sometimes I feel fresh, but sometimes I feel tired.
Very real answer. I feel fresh. I feel tired. Breakfast conversation. More details. Do you always eat breakfast?
Not always. Sometimes I skip breakfast.
Ah, skip breakfast. Good phrase. I skip breakfast.
But when I eat, I like something simple.
Like what?
I like eggs, bread, and sometimes fruit.
Healthy choice. Now you try. What do you eat for breakfast?
What do you do after breakfast?
After breakfast, I get ready and go to work.
Good. I get ready and go to work. How long does it take to reach your workplace?
It takes about 30 minutes.
Nice. It takes 30 minutes to reach my workplace.
Sometimes there is a lot of traffic.
Oh yes, traffic is a big problem. What do you do at work?
I talk to people, use my computer, and complete my tasks.
Very good sentence. What do you usually do in the afternoon?
I usually work, but sometimes I take a short break.
Break is important. I take a short break. Do you feel tired in the afternoon?
Yes, especially after lunch.
Same here. What do you eat for lunch?
I usually eat rice, vegetables, and sometimes chicken.
What do you like to do after work?
After work, I like to relax and watch videos.
Nice. I like to relax after work. Do you go outside in the evening?
Sometimes I go for a walk.
Good habit. I go for a walk in the evening.
But sometimes I just lie on the bed and do nothing.
That is also important. Rest is important. What do you do at night?
At night, I have dinner with my family.
Very nice. I have dinner with my family. What do you do after dinner?
I watch TV or use my phone.
Yes, phone again. What time do you usually go to bed?
I usually go to bed around 11 p.m.
I usually go to bed around 11 p.m. Now, let's practice some full sentences.
Listen carefully and repeat. I usually wake up at 7 a.m. After I wake up, I brush my teeth and wash my face. I sometimes feel tired in the morning. I usually drink tea, but sometimes I drink coffee. After breakfast, I get ready and go to work. It takes 30 minutes to reach my workplace. I take a short break in the afternoon. After work, I like to relax. I sometimes go for a walk in the evening. I usually go to bed around 11 p.m.
Now answer these questions in full sentences. What time do you usually wake up? What do you do after you wake up? Do you skip breakfast or eat breakfast? What do you do after work or study? How do you relax in the evening? Try to answer in full sentences.
Amazing job today. Now you're speaking longer and better English.
Step by step, you are improving.
Keep practicing every day.
And don't be afraid to make mistakes.
Yes, mistakes are part of learning.
Now tell us in the comments, what is your daily routine?
Try to write 3 to 5 sentences.
See you in the next video.
Bye-bye.
Take care and keep learning.